Assalamu alaikum student, how are you all? Today I'll teach you science for class 6. Today we will learn our new topic, taking measurements, from page number 5. Students, how we will take measurements? We use different things to take measurements. For example, we use ruler, tape measure, measuring cylinders, weighing machines. We use different things to take measure. Where they will be used, we will read in this topic. So students, I am starting reading. Listen to me carefully. In everyday life and when carrying out scientific experiments, you use your senses to make observations. You can smell gases given off, see colors change, and hear fizzes and pops. However, you cannot use your senses for everything, and you cannot trust them to give the correct answer. Students, in this para, here is said that in our daily life, in our everyday life, if we want to carry out scientific experiments, we use our senses to make observations. We cannot use our senses for everything, for giving correct answers. We make observations for them. Fortunately, there are many occasions such as weighing yourself at home or doing experiments in class when you do not have to depend on your senses to make observation. You can use measuring instruments instead. Students, as I told you that we use different instruments to take measure in different occasions. If we want to weigh ourselves, we use weighing machine. If we want to know the length of different objects, we use ruler and tape measure. If we want to find the volume of an irregular object, we use measuring cylinders. So do not depend entirely on your senses. Use a measuring instruments whenever you can. The photographs below show some measuring instruments, what they measure, and the units used. In this page, you will see some photographs of measuring instruments. Here is a ruler, tape measures, measuring cylinder. So where are they used and what are their units? Let's read about it. Length. The length of an object can be measured with a ruler or a tape measure. Milliliters, mm, centimeters, cm, meters, m, and kilometers, km are the units of length. Student, in this topic, here is said that the length of an object can be measured with a ruler or a tape measure. How we will measure the length of an object? It will measure by a ruler or tape measure, and their units are millimeters, centimeters, meters, and kilometers. They are the unit of length. Volume. Volume is the space occupied by an object. The volume of a regular, even-shaped object such as a cube can be found by multiplying its length by its width by its height. However, to find the volume of an irregular odd-shaped object, you must use a measuring cylinder. In science, we use cubic centimeters cm3 as a unit of volume. Milliliters, centiliters, and liters are other units of volume. So students, volume is the space occupied by an object. A space which is occupied by an object is volume. Student, listen to me carefully. In this para, there are two words used, regular or irregular. So let me tell you what are they. Regular, even shaped object. An object which has shape, so they are called regular object. An object which has no shape are called irregular object, means odd shaped. So even shaped object such as cube can be found by multiplying its length by its width, by its height. After multiplying, we will get their answer. However, to find the volume of an irregular odd-shaped object, you must use a measuring cylinder. We use measuring cylinder to find out the volume of an irregular shape. In science, we use cubic centimeters, cm power 3. It means it is cubic centimeter as a unit of volume. The units are milliliters, ml, centiliters, cl, and liters, L are other units of volume. Students, in the last of this page, you see there is a diagram drawn measuring cylinders. And its units are liter, milliliter, and cubic centimeter. We will measure an irregular object in measuring cylinder. Look at the picture given here beside measuring cylinder. In this picture, we will measure regular objects. How the regular object will be measured? It will be measured by multiplying its length by its width by its height. Two diagrams has drawn here for measuring volume. One is about measuring cylinder, means to measure an irregular object, and the other one is for measuring the volume of a regular object. Student, read page 6 for our next class. Hope you have understood. Thank you.